First video. Not even sure if I really want to do this, but it's always been an interest, so I'm going to try. But I don't really know where to start. So let's just talk about today. It's currently a Saturday evening. It's about 6 p.m. here in Maryland. It is the umpteenth day of quarantine due to COVID-19. Yeah, so today's project for me was hanging some blinds. Not even blinds, just one blind for the kitchen. Thought it would be relatively simple. It's kicking my butt. I am tired. It isn't even remotely put together and pieces are everywhere and I am just feeling defeated right now. So we'll come back to that. So I woke up this morning thinking that I was gonna get a bunch done. I am wrapping up some things on my kitchen remodeling project. As of right now, I actually need to replace my faucet. So I went to Home Depot and bought a new faucet, kitchen faucet. And am also trying to install these blinds here. On that trip, besides standing in an extremely long line for a good 15 minutes just to enter this store, I spent probably an hour trying to navigate the store and figuring out what I needed. Simple project, but yeah, it just wasn't clicking to me. Honestly, this is something I would have asked my dad to do, but I've been trying to be a tad bit more independent. #adulting. Several house projects I'm working on, and they are all just, the end result would be beautiful. As you'll see my kitchen in a second, because that took a very long time. Shout out to my brother and my dad. My dad did a lot of work. He finished the whole thing. It looks awesome. You'll see pictures later. But just little minor things that I have to do right now. So I made my first homeowner DIY purchase of a drill. Took me about 3 or 4 phone calls back and forth talking with my dad as to what drill did I actually need. No, I didn't need the most expensive one, but ultimately I needed something that I can actually physically hold. He had some good tips and helpful, but there was one on sale. You can't miss a sale, and it's green. One of my favorite colors. So bought the drill, have it here, battery's charging. I did try to use it just now. Little concerning because I was seeing sparks as I used it, so I don't know that being a good sign for this Ryobi right now. So that may be going back after this. Assuming that I can actually install these blinds, because yes, I feel defeated right now, but hopefully after maybe another 2 glasses of wine, I'll be back at it and it'll be up before nightfall. So hang in there, have some confidence in me. I'm going to get this blind hung up. Thanks. I'll be back. Hi, it is now 7:23. I have completed our project. So actually, that's good timing. It isn't dark yet, so it's before nightfall and the blinds are up. Let's get into this. It really only took me about 15 minutes once I gathered my thoughts and realized I skipped a step. So, using my favorite tool, YouTube, looked up a few videos about how to hang up blinds, and the easiest one was there's a video either by Home Depot or Lowe's demonstrating exactly how to hang up the blinds. The particular one that I bought did not have instructions in it. It's actually very simple, so you really don't even need the instructions once you know. Or just watch the quick 5-minute video. This is the key crucial step, which I actually forgot, was to actually create pilot holes. So I was attempting to just go straight in with the screw and screw it in, or just make like you tap the wall, make a little indentation, and then proceed to screw it in. I thought since I bought a new drill, the power of it will just overcome it. It'll just drive that screw in. I've seen them, you know, my brother, my father do it millions of times. I just thought that, hey, why can't I do that too? Skip a few steps. I'm not there yet. So, also thought that the drill was going to be needed the entire project, but quickly found out, no, only for that one step. Because once you're trying to actually put the bracket in, the drill cannot actually fit where inside the bracket opening to further screw in the hole. So manual labor again. Once that was completed, we were cooking. After that was done in like 5 minutes. I am feeling better now, and I have my wine and my projects completed. And now I want to talk about this drill. I didn't get to use it a whole lot. I would like to use it further. However, it is still sparking and smoking, but overall I like it. I'm more familiar with the DeWalt because I borrowed those from my dad and my brother. Thanks again. But it was time for me to purchase one. However, this one didn't really work out, so I'm gonna take it back. I will stand in Home Depot's long line again and return. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys later on my next project in my boredom. Bye.